The buzz around the DJI Neo 2 started when a trusted voice in the drone world, Jasper Ellens, dropped a hint in one of his recent posts. He's well known for sharing accurate leaks about DJI products in the past, like the Air 3S, the original Neo, and the Goggles N3. So, when he quietly mentioned that the Neo 2 could arrive in late 2025, people in the drone community took notice, and the guessing game began. At the same time, DJI officially launched the new DJI Flip, which grabbed attention with its fresh design and features. But while the Flip is making headlines, many are now more curious about what's coming next, especially the Neo 2. So, is it worth buying the current Neo now, or should you wait for the upgrade? That's the big question. To figure it out, let's take a quick look at what the current DJI Neo already offers. It's a small, lightweight drone that's perfect for beginners, travelers, and anyone who wants to shoot high-quality video without carrying a big setup. Don't let its size fool you, though. It has a one-axis stabilized camera with a half-inch sensor that can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second. You can control it using the DJI Fly app or even your voice, which is super handy when you're on the move. One of its coolest features is AI-powered tracking. The Neo can follow a person or object on its own, keeping the camera focused while they move. With smart tracking, it stays locked on your subject. And with direction track, it can fly backward while keeping your subject in the center, great for creative shots on the go. The DJI Neo isn't just a drone. It's like having your own personal cameraman that fits right in your backpack. It's small, smart, and designed to help anyone, from beginners to content creators, capture smooth, professional-looking footage with very little effort. Thanks to DJI's advanced stabilization tools like Rocksteady and Horizon Steady, your videos stay steady, even if you're filming fast-moving scenes. For vloggers and creators, DJI has added several helpful tools. If you're recording your voice while flying, you can use your phone's mic to add narration. The DJI Fly app even removes the noise from the spinning propellers, so your voice stays clear. Flying the Neo is also made simple and safe. You can control it with just your phone within about 164 feet. But if you want more control, DJI also offers optional remotes like the RCN3 or RC Motion 3. The drone comes with built-in propeller guards to help avoid accidents, and it can handle light to moderate winds thanks to its level 4 wind resistance. If something goes wrong, like a lost signal or low battery, it will automatically fly back to where it started. And it's not just for video. The Neo can also take 12-megapixel photos, and with 22 gigabytes of storage, you can record up to 40 minutes of 4K footage. The 18-minute flight time might not sound long, but it's more than enough for most short shoots. So, should you wait for the Neo 2, or go for the current Neo now? It really depends on what you need. The Neo is already packed with modern features and smart tools, and it only came out recently. Waiting for the Neo 2 means holding off on creating content, and there's no promise the next version will be a huge leap forward. For most people, the current Neo is more than enough to start creating high-quality aerial videos right away. Still thinking about whether to wait for the DJI Neo 2? It's a fair question, especially if you're someone who enjoys using the latest tech. While the current DJI Neo already offers a great mix of features, it's possible the Neo 2 will bring some useful upgrades. If DJI sticks to how it usually improves its drones, the Neo 2 might come with a better camera, longer battery life, or smarter AI tracking. Some experts also believe DJI might finally add improved obstacle sensors, which the current Neo lacks. This would make flying much safer, especially for beginners or those flying in tight spaces. If DJI adds omnidirectional obstacle avoidance like in its premium drones, it could make the Neo 2 more appealing for both new users and professionals. Battery life is another big factor. The current Neo gives you around 18 minutes of flight, which is fine for quick shots but can feel short during longer sessions. If the Neo 2 increases this time, it would let users film more without worrying about constant recharging. However, new features usually come with a higher price tag. DJI tends to price new models above the current versions, so if you're watching your budget, the original Neo might still be the smarter buy, especially if the improvements in the Neo 2 aren't groundbreaking. Timing also matters. If you need a drone now for a trip, project, or to start content creation, waiting months for the Neo 2 might mean missing out on opportunities. The current Neo is already well-built, compact, and easy to use. It's a solid choice for travelers, vloggers, and casual flyers. In the end, it comes down to what you need right now. If you're happy with what the DJI Neo offers, there's no real reason to wait. But if you're someone who always wants the newest gear and doesn't mind the wait or the possible extra cost, then it might be worth keeping an eye on the Neo 2's release. So, should you dive in now or wait it out? That really depends on what matters most to you. Capturing epic footage today, or holding off for what the Neo 2 might bring. With the DJI Flip just landing and the Neo 2 whispers growing louder, one thing's for sure, DJI isn't slowing down anytime soon. Whether you're flying the current Neo or waiting for its next-gen upgrade, it's an exciting time to be a drone fan. We'll be keeping a close eye on all the updates, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned.